Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute. I am Dami, and today's video we're going to be playing Never Have I Ever 4C Hair Edition. Now, I feel like there's a lot of things I have done and I haven't done to my 4C hair that will shock you guys. Now, this is how the game goes, and I want you guys to play along with me. Now, if I say something that you have done, you put one finger down, and yeah, at the end of this video, let me know how many fingers you have left up. And yeah, let's get into the video. Never have I ever used heat on my 4C hair. I have never, you guys, I'm so scared of heat damage that I don't even use a blow dryer. Like I prefer to air dry my hair than for me to use a blow dryer. All those silk press, curling iron, I'm sorry, but I something I cannot do, and I don't think I would ever want to try it out. Even with all of the what's this oil they put on their hair before like going for a silk press. I don't trust them. I'm sorry, but I don't. I'm sorry. Never have I ever gone a week without washing my hair. I mean, we are all guilty of it. Now, don't cheat. We are all guilty of that. I mean, I'm supposed to be washing my every week, but there are certain weeks where I like skip my wash, especially when I'm in my protective styles. Sometimes I take my hair for like 2 weeks before I wash it. So never have I ever done a wash and go. No, I have never. I've never done a wash and go. This is because immediately I wash my hair, I'm just always like putting my hair in a protective style. I don't like style my hair and all of that, and that's something I feel like I should change. I don't like the fact that I've just been like focused on like growing my hair, growing my hair, growing my hair, and I'm not even like enjoying like the length at which it is. I'm not like styling it. I used to be when I was like on relaxed hair. I used to be that girl that used to like style my hair every like I don't even get like braids and all that, and yeah, I really like styling my hair, but I just right now when I try it I'm just like focused on growing my hair, so I don't want to like style it because I'm scared of breakage. You guys, just this 1 week of like styling my hair that I did, you guys, my hair has edges, like my hair broke off. Never have I ever used gel for a sleek style. No, I haven't. I don't like. I don't. I no gel. Like the amount of gel I just see people slapping on their hair just for them to like sleek it down and all. I'm sorry, it's something I don't think I can do, because like I don't imagine having that amount of gel in my hair. Mine is going to like be itching me and all that. Just the only place that I like put gel is just like my edges, just little gel. I don't like pack gel like that. No, never have I ever dyed my hair. I haven't dyed my hair except when I was like on relaxed hair before I transitioned to my natural hair. When I was on my relaxed hair, I always like I'm literally changing colors and all. That's what my hair like. The color of my hair was, it was very damaged. Imagine relaxing your hair and then now dyeing it. Like it was. But this new growth, this new journey, I haven't dyed my hair, even if I've been like tempted to countless times. I think I would want to like try this temporary hair wax, what do they call it, hair dye, those temporary ones. I would love to try them, but currently I haven't. Never have I ever spent crazy money on hair products. Never. Other words, you guys know how I feel about expensive products. I'm not that girl that will spend like huge amounts of money on a product. My conditioner, my leave-in conditioner, my shampoo, they are not expensive. They are very, very affordable products. I'm sorry, but I cannot be a person. Never have I ever used rice water on my hair. Me, rice water on my hair for what? No, I don't. I don't believe in all those DIYs and all of that. I don't believe in them, that they grow your hair, that your hair will grow in overnight if you put this onion water, this honey, this rice water. I'm sorry, no, I don't believe in them. I feel like your hair, the secret to hair growth, is not even I feel like it's a known fact that the secret to hair growth is length retention. And length retention is what? Moisture retention plus low manipulation. That's it. Never have I ever gone a week without moisturizing. Never. Why? Why will I go a week without moisturizing? The like the least I have gone. That's supposed to be the least, or like the highest I've gone without like moisturizing is 3 days. I'm sorry, but I cannot go a week without moisturizing my hair. Like, how dry will my scalp be? It will even be itching me and all of that. So I just finished filming only for me to realize that the rest of my clips, I'm trying to like edit right now, and only for me to realize that the rest of my clips were not saved. So yeah. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for being here. Let me know in the comments how many fingers you have left. And bye.